Hi guys, did you know you can access the internet from your phone with your airplane mode on? Damn! Maybe you are avoiding this particular call and then you still want to access the internet. Yes, you can do it with your airplane mode on. Yes, you can. Don't tell me you didn't know. Come closer, let me show you how.
Turn on your mobile data. After turning on your mobile data, then you turn on your airplane mode. When you turn on your airplane mode, you go to your dialer. You go to your dialer, you type in this shortcodes. When this menu appears, testing, then you click on phone information. When you click on phone information, then you click on mobile radio power. Okay, once that is done, you are good to go. You can go now and start browsing the internet. As you can see, my airplane mode is turned on, then I can access the internet. I can search whatever thing I want to search on the internet. You see, so easy. So if you enjoy this video and the video is helpful to you, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more interesting videos like this one, and then give us a thumb up. Thank you. Stay blessed.